Welcome back, everyone. There's a new quest from Fallout. While we dive into collecting these new 700 orbs, I want to clarify a few things up front. Orbs are a brand new, official Discord in-app currency. They're earned directly through Discord's platform, and they're used to purchase official items like Discord Nitro, profile effects, and avatar decorations directly from Discord's shop. This is an official Discord feature and completely safe to use. We are simply covering how to access and maximize this new currency within the guidelines set by Discord. Since that quest is finished, there's still some quests pending that you might have not done. Like Microsoft Edge, this quest will expire on December 8th. Therefore, finish it on time. It gives out 700 orbs. We are not stopping here. There's a second pending quest from Discord, which is advertising orbs on phone. Watch the full video on your phone. It should give you 150 orbs. For the third quest, simply go to user settings, scroll down, and click quest. Here, after scrolling down, you should be able to find the third quest about Discord Nitro. It doesn't give out Discord Nitro though, but it's sort of like an advertisement video which gives out 200 orbs after watching it. Remember, you can also watch Microsoft Edge video on phone. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.